A wild night out can sometimes mean a painful morning in. Nausea, headache, dehydration, the hangover. Now a service launching in Boston promises near instant relief right to your door, calling itself the Uber of hangovers.
This is what's been done in hospitals throughout the world since the dawn of ages.
IV Doc provides just that, IV fluids on demand from a licensed nurse dispatched to your home, your office, anywhere. All you do is book an appointment online or by phone.
This is truly the treatment for patients that are vomiting, that can't handle keeping food down, they can't drink anything, and especially if someone needs to get up and do something that day.
Dr. Adam Nadelson is the CEO of IV Doc, which is expanding into Boston after opening 8 other locations nationwide.
Boston's a college town, Boston's a great town. There's a lot of people here, burning the candle at both ends.
He says the IV treatments, which start at $199 and go up to $399, aren't just for hangovers, but for fatigue, migraines, and food poisoning as well.
What are the risks involved here?
Very little risk. We've seen black and blue marks. That's pretty much it. It's a very low risk treatment, which is why there's so much, the benefits truly outweigh the risks here.
But MGH Dr. Lippy Roy says not so fast.
There's a lot of potential side effects, so it's not necessarily harmless.
Roy says there's a risk of infection anytime an injection is involved. Overall, she says people should just use common sense, not drinking that much in the first place, or if you do, drinking lots of fluids and getting plenty of rest the next morning.
IV fluids to treat hangovers or to prevent hangovers is not FDA approved. There's actually no randomized clinical trials or any studies that actually show that there's a clinical benefit. For most people, it's really just drinking a glass of water.
Dr. Nadelson at IV Doc says they don't recommend more than 2 IVs a week, and he stresses the company provides counseling and referrals for people who they feel need it. The IV Doc launches in Boston next week. Nancy Chen, 7 News.